D Studio, educational channel. Guess which picture is the dog? Right, you found a dog. Do you know how a dog barks? Right, dog barking woof woof woof. Dogs come in a wide variety of breeds. Currently there are about 400 dog breeds in the world. Among them there are very small dogs and very large ones. Guess which picture is the cat? Correctly, it's a cat. Who knows how a cat meows? Correctly, cat meow meow. Cats come in many different breeds. There are very fluffy, and there are hairless cats. Guess which picture is the cow? Correctly, it's a cow. Who knows how a cow mows? Correctly, cow moo, moo moo moo. A cow is a very useful animal for a person. She gives people milk, and people make milk out of milk, cottage cheese, butter, kefir, and even ice cream. Guess which picture is the goat? Correctly, is that a goat? How does a goat scream? Correctly, goat screams. Goats give us very tasty and healthy milk. They make cheese from it. Light warm fluff, which is combed out of goat hair, is famous. Many necessary and beautiful things are made from fluff. For example, the famous downy scarves, mittens, and socks.